Hello, my name is Dr. Tom Lamson. I'm the director of the emergency department of Will's Eye. We wanted to bring a message to you today as the Halloween season is approaching for tips and tricks on how to keep your eyes safe this season. The biggest tip for Halloween eye safety is surrounding the use of colored contacts for your costume. Contact lenses can be very dangerous to the eyes unless they're prescribed by an eye professional. Particularly with colored contacts around Halloween, the solution that the contact lenses can come in can be infected with bacteria, which can cause a blinding infection to the cornea of the eye. We recommend that you only wear contact lenses that are prescribed by an eye doctor to make sure that they have the proper fit and solution to keep your eyes healthy. Additionally, you should never sleep in your contact lenses. That also increases your risk of having a bacterial eye infection. Secondly, be careful with applying false lashes for your Halloween eye costume. False lashes can cause a number of eye issues, one being an allergic response to the eye or eyelids, and second, the long lashes can often cause scratches to the surface of the eye, which can be very painful and cause blurry vision. Finally, you should also be careful with applying makeup to or around your eyes for your Halloween costume. Makeup should be used only up to 3 months and then discarded, so please don't reuse any makeup from last year's costume. Makeup can also cause allergic reactions around the eyes and to the eyes themselves, so be sure to test this out before the day of Halloween. Finally, if you experience any issues with your eyes or have any eye injuries, please seek help with the nearest eye doctor or come to our Will's ER, which is available 24/7.